Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've been for my third week weigh-in at Slimming World and I'm pleased to say I've lost another 2 pounds. Oh my god, I'm so pleased. Just to run through what I've had in the week, me and Sam went out on Saturday and we did go to a place called Prezzo. So I tried to be really good, had some pasta with maybe a tomato based sauce, but I was really naughty and had a dessert, but obviously that has not affected my weight loss this week, which I'm so pleased about. I have had a takeaway as well this week, but I generally only eat half of it, and because I don't have any meat, it's basically just vegetables in one of the sauces, and I generally go for the black bean. So I'll have half with boiled rice one day and then I'll finish off the other half the day after. So again, that's not affected my weight loss, so I'm really pleased. I will put up on the screen here my starting weight and my weight now, because I've now lost 4.5 pounds in total. I am going to aim for another 2.5 pounds for next week, which will give me my half stone certificate. So wish me luck. I'm going to do the best I can to get that certificate and that little shiny badge for the back of my book. So I'm hoping that is as well. So anyway, that's it from me. I know I've not done much this week in terms of videos. I've had a bit of a busy week. I have the subscriber video coming up. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about that. That will be uploaded on Saturday. And I've got some cooking from the new vegetarian book for next week as well. And a couple of other bits and pieces. So yeah, there'll be more videos for next week. Apologies for the not having as much this week. Anyway, so I know this is only a short one, but I just wanted to share my good news with you. So anyway, thanks everybody for watching. If you want to hit that subscribe button just to keep notified, you'll have to hit the little bell as well, that you'll then be notified on all my uploads. And if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be fabulous. So anyway, thanks again for watching guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.